1 day trip in Lake District is not enough, especially during summer. It's crowded and there are a lot of activities that we can make here in Lake District. You can bring your food inside the cruise and eat, but they have also bar at the center of the ferry downstairs, because we are on the rooftop, that you can buy a light snack. And they have the hot chocolate, hot coffee, and biscuits, chocolates, and some souvenirs inside the ferry you can buy.